Daddy like. There it is. Cutting board oil.
Cutting board oil.
Cutting board oil.
Well, what kind of oil is that?
That is mineral oil. It's for protecting.
Is that the same as baby oil but unscented?
Only on a good night. No, it is mineral oils used for food prep surfaces that you need to prevent everything from soaking into the wood. So this is where the Snobby Smoker gets a little effeminate, if you will, because I'm going to take my meat board and I'm going to massage oil into my meat board. It's a good evening. I'm going to drip it on there. Oh yeah, you like that, don't you?
Daddy like.
Daddy like. Man, I'm going to grab
Say it again.
Daddy like. I'm going to massage that in there. Oh yeah, you like that, don't you, baby? Just rub it around. You got to get in the crevices. That's where all the good stuff happens. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Oh, so good. So good. So we got a nice shiny meat board. Yeah.
Is this also called a cutting board?
Well, sure, yeah.
But it's really a meat board.
It's a meat board. Yeah. It's where I like to lay down my meat. Yeah, if you know what I mean.
I think you mean your meat.
But yeah, maintaining your cutting boards is important. Keeps all the germs from getting infested into the board, into the wood. All you got to do is let that dry a little bit, wipe it down a second time, and then it's good to go for about 3 months.
So you wipe it down with mineral oil again?
No.
Oh, you just kind of let it leach out a little?
You let it soak in there for a little while, and then you just grab some paper towels, wipe it down again, just to get all the excess oil off, and then you're good to go. You can use it for serving food.
Do you ever put this in the dishwasher?
No, you don't put that in the dishwasher.
So did you put chicken on this?
I had chicken on that, yes.
You had raw chicken.
I had raw chicken on this.
And just putting the mineral oil on it will make it okay?
Well, no, after you put the raw chicken on, you need to clean it. And then...
You mean like with soap?
But before you do the raw chicken, and any wood food prep surface, you have to use a mineral oil to prep the surface. Then after you put do any cutting on it, any food prep on it, you're going to clean it with preferably bleach and water, or like I use a antibacterial dish soap, and that kills any germs that can cause the tummy troubles.
Those salmonellas.
The salmonellas, yeah. The salmonella is not fun. So again, this is soaked in here nice.
Oh, way to go!
Oh, I dropped the oil. Here, let's do a little.
You want to rub me down?
Told you about this is Howard Cutting Board Oil. Thank you, Howard Cutting Board Oil. We really like you. Excellent.
Cool.
And that's the way the Snobby Smoker keeps things clean.